अच्छा, slope of a graph. What is the meaning of slope of a graph? If any graph is there, suppose the graph is between two quantities b and a. Okay, a is plotted on this x-axis, b is plotted on the y-axis. So what actually will happen is that suppose if the graph looks like this, then slope means from any point to any point. Okay, if you join this to the x-axis, and if you join this to the x-axis, if you join to the y-axis, and if you join to the y-axis, now you have to join this line like this and this line. Now in this triangle, this is a right angle triangle, if you can see here it is 90 degree, then the perpendicular by the base, the perpendicular by the base, perpendicular by base of the right angle triangle is known as slope. Okay, now in this graph the perpendicular's value is b, because in y-axis it is b, so it is parallel to the y-axis. Here also value will be b, from this value of b to this value of b. Suppose for example, and this value I am giving you example, wait, and this will be the value of a, from this value to a, this, because it is parallel to the x-axis. So in x-axis, as because a is there, so this much will be one value of a, so this will also be a, so it is actually b by a. Suppose for example you have a graph, okay, where a value k is plotted 1 2 3 4 in this way, and a value z is m is plotted in this way 1 2 3 4 in this way. Now what will happen, suppose the graph is there like this. Okay, so what actually will happen is that from, suppose from this point to this point you want to take out the slope. If you want to take out, you join this point, then you get, and you join this point, then you get something. So you join this point, you get somewhere here, you join this point to this, you get something. Now if you draw this, now what will be the value of this perpendicular? It is, slope is perpendicular by the base, so it is, this point is 1.54, so it will be 4 minus 1.5, right? So this much will be 4 minus 1.5, so that is 2.5, and this much will be, this is also 4, and this is minus 1 point, let us consider it 1.5 only, again 4 minus 1.5, so at niche also 4 minus 1.5, so that will be equals to slope, so that is 2.5. So slope will be equals to, value will be 2.5 by 2.5, cancel 1. So actually it is like this, perpendicular by base. Whatever value comes here by subtracting, whatever value comes here by subtracting, you will get it as a slope. This is the concept of slope of a graph.